Hello students, welcome back to this lecture series of MSc Part 1 Mathematical Methods in Physics, paper first. So in this lectures we are going to discuss Hermite differential equations or the Hermite functions. Okay, so this Hermite differential equations, y double primes minus 2x y prime plus 2 lambda y is equal to 0. Okay, this is a Hermite differential equations, and also we can write d square y by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus 2 lambda y is equal to 0. Okay, this is Hermite differential equations. Now in order to find the series solution of this differential equations, we need to expand this differential equations around the point that is x is equal to 0. Okay, and we need to check the singularity of this differential equations. Okay, so this x is equal to 0, this is the ordinary singular points of this Hermite differential equations. So if we expand around these points, we can get the series solutions of this Hermite differential equations. Okay, so that solution is y is equal to summations n is equal to 0 to infinity a n x power n plus k. Okay, so this is series solution of this Hermite differential equations. And now if we differentiate these things with respect to the x, so it is y primes, and y prime is equal to summations over n is equal to 0 to infinity a n into n plus k into x power n plus k minus 1. Okay, so again if I differentiate with respect to x, so it is y double primes is equal to summations n is equal to 0 to infinity a n into n plus k into n plus k minus 1 into x power n plus k minus 2. Okay, so this is y prime, y double primes. Okay, so we replace this y double prime with this thing and the y prime with this thing. Okay, so it is summations over n is equal to 0 to infinity a n into n plus k into n plus k minus 1 x power n plus k minus 2 minus 2x into 2x into summation over n is equal to 0 to infinity a n into n plus k into x power n plus k minus 1. Okay, and the last term, that is plus 2 lambda for the y, it is summation n is equal to 0 to infinity a n x plus x power n plus a is equal to 0. Okay, this is what this is the expression after substituting this y double prime and the y primes. Now you can rewrite n summation over n is equal to 0 to infinity a n into n plus k into n plus k minus 1 x power n plus k minus 2 minus, okay, for this, and the take two commons into summation n is equal to 0 to infinity a n plus k minus lambda into x power n plus k equal to 0. Okay, this is the expressions. Okay, so now to find the lowest power of the x, okay, for that just I'm going to put the n is equal to 0, so we can find the lowest power of x and then equate the coefficients of the lowest power of x with the 0. Okay, so if I put the n is equal to 0 in the first summation, so it is a0 into k and k minus 1. Okay, and the power of this is the coefficients of the x and the power of the lowest power of the x, that is x power k minus 2 if I put the n is equal to 0. Okay, this is the coefficient. So here a naught is equal to not 0. Okay, so we can find the k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 1. Okay, for the n is equal to 0. So this equation is also called the indicial equations. Okay, so from this we can find this value of the k. Okay, now for the next lowest term of x, that is if I put the n is equal to 1, then the coefficients of the lowest term, next lowest term, that is in a1 into 1 plus k into k. Okay, so this is equal to 0. Okay. So here power of x, that is x power k minus 1. Okay, next successive lowest power of the x. Okay, x power k minus 1 for the n is equal to 1. So this equate coefficient of this thing is equal to 0, so we can find this root. Okay, so here a1 is maybe it is not is equal to 0 and a1 is equal to 0. Okay, so value of the a1s that depend on the value for the k. Okay, so if k is equal to 0, then a1 is equal to 0, and if k is equal to 1, so it is maybe it is 0 or may not be it is 0. Okay, so these are the possibilities that depend on the value of the k. Okay, so if again I put n is equal to n plus 2, okay, then this expressions is equal to a n plus 2 into n plus 2 plus k into n plus 2 plus k minus 1 and minus, this is for the first summation, and for the second summations we can write a n minus 2 a n into n plus k minus lambda. Okay, is equal to 0. Okay, so from this a n plus 2 is equal to 2 n plus k minus lambda divided by n plus 2 plus k into n plus k plus 1 into n. Okay, so this is the recursion relations to find the coefficients. Okay, this is called recursion relations. Okay, from these expressions we can find the coefficients of for the a node a2 a4 like that. Okay, so this is equation number 2. Now we have the case first where we consider the n is equal to 0 and k is equal to k is equal to 0 and a1 is equal to 0. Okay, for the case first. So in the equation number 2, if I put the k is equal to 0 and a1 is equal to 0, for the k is equal to 0, so it is, and also n is equal to 0 to find a successive. Okay, for the k is equal to 0, then it is a n plus 2 is equal to 2 into n minus lambda divided by n plus 2 into n plus 1. Okay, after putting the k is equal to 0. Now if I put the n is equal to 0, okay, then we can find the a2, okay, and then is equal to 2 into minus lambda divided by 2 into 1, and here is a naught, so it is minus 2 lambda divided by 2 factorial a naught. Okay, so this is value for the a2, and here we already consider a1 is equal to 0. So by using the regression relation, we can find a3, a5, a7, this and so on. These all are the 0. Okay. So next, if I put the n is equal to 2, then we can find the a4, because 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, and 2 into 2 minus lambda divided by 4 into 3, a2. Okay, so for the a2 we replace this thing. Okay, so it is equal to take out minus common, so it is 2 into lambda minus 2 divided by 4 into 3, and for the a2 that is minus 2 lambda divided by 2 factorials. Okay, a naught into n. Okay, so minus minus will be plus, and the 2 square to lambda into lambda minus 2, so it is 12n, 12 into 4. So here is a 2 factorial and here is a 4 factorial into a naught. Okay, this is value for the a4. Okay, so we have the now a node, a2, a4 and a node. Okay, so what is, we assume the series, that is y is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity a n x power n plus k. Okay, but here k is equal to 0. Okay, so for that we just consider this one. Okay, so this series become a naught x power naught plus a2 x power 2 plus a4 x power 4. Okay, a1, a3 and a5, these all are the zeros, so that's why I am not consider this term. Okay, so y is equal to, we have a naught x power naught is equal to 1, so no need to write, minus 2 lambda divided by 2 factorial a naught into x power 2 plus, for the a4, 2 power 2 into lambda minus 2 divided by 4 factorial into a naught x power 4 and so on. Okay, so this is, okay, so this is the independent solutions of the Hermite differential equations. Okay, and if you observe, so power of x is a1 in these solutions. Okay, so this is the one solutions of the Hermite differential equations. Okay, for the case k is equal to 0 and a1 is equal to 0. Okay, now for the case second. Okay, so here I am consider k is equal to 1 and a1 is equal to 0. Okay, so from the equation number 2 or regression relations, we can write a n plus 2 is equal to 2 into n plus 1 minus lambda divided by n plus 2 or plus 1s, because k is equal to 1s. Okay, into n plus 2 into a n. Okay, after putting the value for the k in the equation number 2. Okay, so this is, we have now expressions. Okay, so from this relations, regression relations, we can find coefficients. For the n is equal to 0, Okay, so it is A2. So here is also A1 is equal to 0. So success A3, A5, A7s, these all are the 0. Okay, from the regression relations. Okay, so A2 for the n is equal to 0. So it is equal to 2 into 1 minus lambda divided by 3 into 2. Okay, and A naught. Also we can write minus 2 into lambda minus 1 divided by 3 into 2. Okay, or this is 3 factorials. Okay, so minus 2 into lambda minus 1 divided by 3 factorials. Okay, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So you can write in the 3 factorials. Now n is equal to 2. Okay, so for the n is equal to 2, it is A4. Okay, into is equal to 2 into 3 minus lambda, or the okay, into 5 into 4, and here is a A2. Okay, so from this we can take out, if we take the minus is common, so this thing we can write minus 2 lambda minus 3. Okay, and if I put the expression for the A2, so that is minus 2 into lambda minus 1 divided by 3 factorials. Okay, so minus minus will be plus. Okay, and 2 into lambda minus 1 by 3 factorials. Okay, and this 2 we can write like this: 2 power 2 into lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 3 divided by 4 into 20 and 20 into 60. So it is 5 factorials. Okay, into A naught. Okay, okay, so this is A4. Okay, so we have now the A naught, A2, A4. So series, what we assume, psi y is equal to summations n is equal to 0 to infinity a n x power n plus k. Okay, so k is equal to 1. Okay, so we replace k with the 1. Okay, so this is a naught x power 1 plus a2 x power 3 plus a 4 x power 5, and so on. Okay, so y is equal to a naught x power 1 minus 2 lambda minus 1 divided by 3 factorials. Here is 1 factorials. So into x power 3. Okay, and plus 2 into 2 power 2 into lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 3 divided by 5 factorials into a naught. Okay, here is also a naught. And the x power 5, and so on, and so on. So this is second solution of the Hermite differential equation. So in these equations, the power of x, that is the odd power. Okay, in this series. Okay, so this is another independent solution of the Hermite differential equations. Okay, so let's stop here. We'll discuss in the next lecture.